Hello, hello. How are we all today? Thanks very much for tuning in. My name's Kelly from Plush Addict, and today I'm going to talk all about fabric advent calendars. I'm going to run you through all the different styles that we've got and give you an idea of sewing construction on some of them as well, so you can work out which are the quickest and easiest if that's important to you. If you've got a few to sew, then that probably is. Run you through some prices, give you some close-up of the different prints that we've got available. The first thing probably to talk about is, why bother using a cloth advent panel? Now, I think they're amazing. I think they're a really environmentally friendly way of having an advent calendar, because obviously the chocolate ones that you buy, there's lots of single-use plastic that goes along with those, and there's a bunch of stuff that isn't recyclable. Whereas if you get the cloth ones, you can bring them out year after year, and you can fill each of the pockets with whatever you like, really. And it doesn't have to be sweets if you're trying to cut down on your kids' sugar, or your own sugar even. So you can put little gifts in there, little trinkets, little toys, that kind of thing. So you can control what goes in them. They're going to come out year after year. So I don't know about you, but as I was growing up, having the same Christmas decorations come out every year, it's, there's a lot of nostalgia there, and you're making memories. And also, you can make a little heirloom that gets passed down through the generations. So you never know, in 20 years' time, if you're still using the same one, you're really tying in those family memories. Each of the panels that I'm going to run you through today, you can either buy the panel on its own, or we're also doing a kit. All of this is on the website, so where you get the wadding, the backing and bias binding with your panel, and if you opt for the kit form, that's an extra £12. And we've made it this, what's the name? This is a Violin one, isn't it? A Violin R80, which is actually made from recycled plastic bottles. So that's another way to make an eco choice with your advent panel. Right, so the first one that I am going to show you are these little stocking panels, if I can get hold of them. Now, these are cute. You can do them in one big long string like this. Oh, I've got it the wrong way round. Or you could do separate little ones as well. I love these. And in each one, you've got quite a big pocket. Each one, there's just a little hem at the top. We got there. There's just a little hem at the top. A little bit of ribbon tied onto your bias. So this is the Scandi Advent one. So this is a Macawa panel. Hang on, I'm not doing very well on my. So they actually works out to be quite a long string. So these look great over a fireplace, or often we have these on our ceiling, running down our kitchen. They look fab. So there's a couple of these available. The first one, if we can zoom in on some of these, this is an 875 for this panel, 60 centimetre panel. It's got, I don't know if you can see that, but you've got a glitter kind of highlight. There's no kit for these because obviously these are just stockings, and all you do is you cut out the stocking. You need to provide your backing fabric, hem the top, job done, sew it onto the bias. So you've got that more traditional one there, and then you've got, where am I going to put these? Under here. And then you have got your Scandi ones. Again, on the Macawa ones, they've all got this gold metallic highlight, and you've got in the red colour and the grey colour. So again, that one is that was £8.20. Now, talking about the construction method, these are all Nutex panels. These are great especially if you've got a lot to make. Let me just show you how these work. So this particular panel comes in 3 colourways. You've got the grey, you've got a blue and a red. But all you do on this one is, can you see we've got little fold lines there? So you fold and you fold, and then you fold on that line there. And then you just, and you can keep folding and pinning. So fold and fold. You can see what's happening here, can't you? Am I going to manage it here? Fold, hang on, fold and fold. And then the last one, you are folding and folding. And then all you do to make all your pockets then is sew down that line. So super quick, super easy. These are great value. I love this grey one, more contemporary one. You've got, again, you've got a glitter highlight. You've even got gift tag. These are £8.15, or if you get the kit, it'd be £20.15 for everything. So you've got in grey, you have got it in red, whoop, red, so it's the same design, still with the glitter, more traditional red, or you've got it in blue. There we go. And then some of these next ones I've got actually made up so you can see the size of them. So more traditional design here, so they end up about that big. Again, all right, so you've got Santa and reindeer and sleighs at the top there. Cute little snowmen. So that's in a red. It also comes in a black, which we've got made up here as well. You can see. And I've gone very quiet. And then we have Santa, again, cute little reindeers, Christmas scene, and that's a grey. And again, that's £8.15. And that's the made up, oh goodness, that's the made up one. And if you've got any questions about these, then just pop it in the comments. I'll put links to all of these, to the advent panels in the comments as well. So, and that's a creamy coloured one. So they're all Nutex Advents. Now the next style of advent panel here, I'm calling these, so that those ones I'm calling the fold, these ones I'm calling the row. So this is a Macau one, this is a Dashwood Studio one. So this is not quite as quick and easy, but it's still pretty simple. I mean, to be fair, even the more complicated ones are not that hard, they just take a little bit more time. So what you do with these ones, which I'm calling the row, now if you look at the panel, you can see we've got a Scotty dog, we've got a Dalmatian. This one's called Santa Paws. This is all doggies, Christmas doggies. So the row here matches the row at the top. So all you're doing with this one is you're cutting out a whole row at a time, and then you'll make, where you've got the dashed line, you're making a little box pleat. So you're just pleating them there like that. Obviously you'll take a bit more care than I am, and then you just sew them along. You sew that there, and then you sew them along the middle. So you're applying a row at a time, so it makes them nice and easy and quick. And this one is called Yappy. This is £8.20, or is it £9.50? I'm not sure the price. All the prices are on the website. So this is a Macau one, and this is Yappy for you dog lovers out there. We've also got a cat one. Again, this is the row. Oh goodness, they're all coming off. This one's called Santa Paws. So same construction, and this is for all you cat lovers, your feline friends. And then there are some Dashwood Studio ones which are similar construction. So this is so cute, and I'll just zoom in on this one. So you've got very contemporary illustrations on this one. You've got all the jungle animals having a festive fun time. You've got llamas, you've got sloths, cheetahs. So this is a really, really cute one. And these end up about this size. Is that one? No, let's try and find that one. That's this one. So this one here is this one here. So you can see the top half of the panel becomes your backing, and then these become your, you do a strip at a time and cut your folds. So this Dashwood Studio one, it's called Playtime. This one's £9.90. Oh, do it that way, so otherwise your animals are on the wonk. Get some close-ups of those cute animals. That's a sweet one. And again, we've got a bit of gold glitter, a bit of a metallic sparkle on that one. This one is called, I think it's called Merry Menagerie. Yes, Merry Menagerie. So that's just gorgeous. Loving that one. Big kids, or little kids for that one, I think. And then we have this one here, which is called Merry Christmas, I think. Merry and Bright, I think. Merry and Bright. So let's hold that up so you can see. Really nice. You've got unicorns, you've got hedgehogs, owls, cats. So that's a very cute one. Right, and then the last construction kind, I'm going to call these pockets. So these are a little bit more involved. They're still very, very easy, really. So let's get this house panel. So this one's called House. This has been one of our most popular ones. This is £8.20, or the kit is £20.20. And you can see with these ones, this is the original panel, and you can see that is there. You've got your pockets sewn on there. So what you're doing with this one is you're literally cutting around each of the pockets and sewing them directly onto the right place. So you'd press under the sides, 1/4 inch seam. A couple of them are where are they? I'll show you on this one. Sorry, there are a couple that are doubled up, a few that are doubled up here. So you've got a few that are box pleats here. So they go in one. So as you can see, you've got a stitch down the middle, and you've just folded them in. Lovely. Again, all of these Macawa panels have a gold highlight. So loving this house one. Then we have this one, which is called Santa. Oh, Merry Christmas, sorry. Merry Christmas. So you've got a lovely big picture of Santa there. The kids all love that one. And the pockets go all the way around the outside. That's £8.75. See the £12 more for the kit. This is Scandi. So you've got different shapes with this one. Okay. So your advent calendar would be this portion here, and then you'd sew on your pockets on here. So it looks like they're different shapes, but there are still squares, so they're still nice and easy to sew. So that's the Scandi one, and that's £8.20. Skaters, this one's been really popular. There we go. You've got skate ice rink, lovely Christmas tree, the houses, and again you've got this metallic gold sparkle. All the instructions come on the edge of the panels. This is the 2022 Scandi one. So again, your panel, your advent calendar would be this part, and then these are going around the side. And then Santa's Workshop, is that one? Oh, sorry, Santa's Workshop. Santa Express is, there we go, that's the made up version of Santa Express. You can see the little pockets in there. You've got cute little Santa's elves. Again, you've got the gold sparkle. A little diagram of how you do your box pleats. So this one is £8.20 or £20.20 for the kit. Santa Express, which is, I'm clutching here. There we are, again, your little pockets. That's very cute. You've got little polar bears, reindeer, elves. And that's the panel, the full size panel. So these are 60 centimetres wide, these panels. And then London, which has been really popular. There we go. This is the last one, I think. So if you are in London or want to create memories of London, so you've got some main London icons, you've got fancy ladies shopping with their poodles, you've got landmarks, shops. So there we go, and that's the finished one, and all your pockets for this one are around the edge, so you get to see the mural in the middle. So that one is £8.20. All right, well, thank you very much. Let me just check my list and make sure I did it all. Yes, I remembered everything. How about that? Thank you very much. Any questions, leave them in the comments and we will get back to you. All right, bye.